Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me. I am using my Annie Plans Printables Pocket Traveler's Notebook insert. And I'm also using this Let's Planet kit. I think it's the Beautiful Chaos kit. I'm not even sure what the name is, but it was on the quote box, so naturally I just assumed that's the name. And I know that I show you guys the bottom washi and also the washi tape that I was going to use in this spread, but then I actually forgot to put the bottom washi down. So I ended up overlaying my silver confetti tape on the full boxes instead of the bottom washi because they were non-existent. What I just showed you is also my silver confetti overlay tape, and I have this design in 3 different foil colors: gold, rose gold, and silver. And today I'm just going to show you my silver and how I overlay it over my stickers. You can overlay it over washi, stickers, papers, anything you want really. It's really up to you and your planning style and how you like to plan. I wanted to share these items with you because I know that you guys can definitely get really creative, more creative than this, and incorporate them into your planner spreads however you like. And if you do purchase my overlay tapes, please tag me and let me know because I really want to see how you put them into your spreads. Anyway, here I am just laying down the full boxes and also the headers. I didn't have enough full boxes from the Beautiful Chaos kit from Let's Planet, so I grabbed my 2 Little Bees Live Simply kit that I had used previously, I think about, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos ago. And you can watch that. I planned that in my Happy Planner. But anyways, I just grabbed leftovers from that kit because, trust me, there's tons of leftovers and I just love this kit. And I felt like it really matched the colors in the Let's Planet kit as well. So that's what I'm doing here. And I noticed that I run out of things to talk about while I'm doing these voiceovers. So do you guys like these voiceovers? Let me know. And also, do you have any questions for me to answer? Because if you do, then I would be happy to answer them. Just comment them down below and I will probably fill up these times that I'm just putting down full boxes and whatnot with answering your questions. And also, I'm not really sure why I started with Tuesday, but that just happened. So there I go, starting with Tuesday. I guess I was just planning for the day ahead. So Tuesday is going to be laundry day, so that's why I put down the scalloped quarter box, I guess, and the laundry day sticker. And then I put a half box along with a Tasseled Planner foiled icon sticker. And by the way, this is when I realized that I didn't put down any bottom washi, and I was like, is this going to work over my full boxes? And thank goodness it did. You'll see later. It turned out pretty good. But over here I realized that it was pink on pink on pink and I didn't like that. So I wanted to change up the half box to something blue and then overlay it with the family time and asterisk sticker. Can you believe that there's only 2 days left until my grand opening of my Etsy shop at Girl Boss Anna, guys? Like, can you feel it? Because I can, and it's crazy, and I'm just excited, nervous, worried, anxious, happy, all at once. And it's just, I don't really know how to explain this feeling. It's like my baby, and I can't believe I'm sending off my baby into the world. Can you guys relate? Because this is how I feel right now. Don't forget to shop on Friday, July 20th. I'm going to have a 30% off discount for that day only. And Saturday, the 21st, I'm only going to have a 20% discount, and Sunday the 22nd is only going to be a 10% discount. So as the days go on, the discount gets smaller and smaller, so make sure you shop on Friday if you want to save the most. Anyway, I'm planning in Monday, and I just made my list of things that I needed to do for that day, and that included filming my Pocket Traveler's Notebook plan with me that you're seeing right now, and then also had to go to the doctor's and also go on a Target run. Here I'm starting off by putting a flag sticker from Busy Bee Stickers and overlaying it with the Simply Watercolor Co. $2 Tuesday laptop sticker. I needed to remind myself that I needed to get my Etsy listings up, and up that day so that there are no problems that arise and then I just put a half box down and wrote down label printer so that I can remind myself to try it out to see if it works, because I don't want any surprises on the day of the sale. Here I made a note to remind myself to film my grand opening video, which you guys will see on Friday, so stay tuned. So for Wednesday, I just jotted the things that I needed to do down. That included sending out some happy mail, and then checking out the P.O. box, writing up my shop policies, and making sure my Facebook group is intact, because honestly, I'm not on Facebook. But for my business, I need to try to be on Facebook, so I needed to work on that. And then also, I was going to go to Zumba and body combat at night. Moving on to Thursday, like I said, I was going to run out of my planner press bow checklist because I have used almost all of them. I have one bow checklist left in the silver foil, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but I might use it in my, I don't know, I may or may not use it in my traveler's notebook plan with me. I'm trying to do a Bujo style, so I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out, but anyways, I just wanted to make this next part of my spread super simple yet very functional, and that's why I use these planner press bow checklists. Then I just layered a Busy Bee stickers, I always forget the name, silver foiled confetti flag on top of this half box or quarter box? No, yeah, I think it's a half box. And just noted that I'm going to have a grand opening sale on Friday, July 20th, and it's going to be a 30% discount. And then I did the same thing for Saturday and Sunday, just marking that I had my grand openings those days, or grand opening sales, grand opening sale those days. And Saturday is going to be 20% and Sunday is going to be 10%. And for each of those days, I reminded myself to release the code because I don't want to forget. Oh, and I didn't mention this little TN holder thingy. I got it from a Little TLC Designs. I super love it, like it's so helpful. It really helped me in planning in my traveler's notebook inserts. I did a B6 insert plan with me the other day, and it was super helpful, and it was super helpful in this one, especially since it's smaller. So you gotta hold it down and make sure that it doesn't just close up while you're writing. And then for the weekend, I wanted to put the weekend banner down, and also wanted to make it look a little more fancy, schmancy. So I took a Jax Pepper divider, and these are silver foil dividers, and I just overlaid them with the weekend banner to make it look a little more sparkly. And here I'm just sticking down little stickers here and there because I really wanted to use up everything from the kit. And so I put finally down, I put happy mail down, I put not today down, and then I also put this half box and an exclamation point sticker just in case I needed to do something important for Friday, because that was going to be the day of my grand opening sale, and just in case I didn't foresee something coming, I could just put it in there. And yay, I get to finally show you guys my confetti overlay tape. This is in the silver foil. As you guys know, I have mentioned this in my previous videos, all my designs will come in gold, rose gold, and silver. So if you like the design, just know that you can get it in a different foil if you don't like the foil that you're seeing in this video. So since I was going to be overlaying these full boxes, I wanted to actually make confetti like everywhere in the full box, not just half of the box. So that's why you see me cutting down like a little bit of the tape that's blank, and then just replacing the areas that I cut down with more confetti. I'm a little sad because you can't really see my confetti on camera, but if you actually look at it in real life, it's so pretty, and it adds such a nice sparkle to my spread. Like, I totally wish you guys can see this, but the most you're gonna get is from this camera, so that's unfortunate. And now finally moving on to the sidebar. I usually like to do the sidebar last because I want to have an idea of what my spread looks like before I make my sidebar. So that's why you always see me working on the sidebar last. And I almost forgot to overlay the second part of my spread, so here's me just overlaying my silver confetti overlay tapes over these full boxes. Now let's talk about this part of the insert. I did not really know what to do with it because I already had a sidebar, but then I was like, maybe I can just use it to add even more things that I might need to do that I don't have space to add into my spread. So I made a this week and next week portion of the spread, so just in case I needed to add some extra things in, I could. For the this week portion, I made a Monday through Friday top thing I needed to get done for the day portion, and then also a blank Rose Shadow Collection half box sticker on the bottom just in case I needed to add something. And then next week I made a top 3 section and then also added another small to-do checklist on the bottom along with a Rose Shadow Collection half box. And for the top, it was looking a little blank for the next week section, so I just cut down part of the bottom washi, made it into a flag, and just put it up there. And that is the finished spread, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this plan with me and enjoy all my silver foils galore. And also, lastly, my silver confetti overlay tapes. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below which overlay tape that you like the most, because these were all 6 of my designs. This is the last of them, and so if you look back on my other videos, you'll see my other foil designs. So let me know, which one do you like? Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video, which is going to be my Traveler's Notebook bullet journaling plan with me, with an overlay tape of your choice. And if you are watching and you also follow me on Instagram at GirlBossAnna, I have a story up right now asking you guys which tape you would like to see me use in my next plan with me. So make sure you vote. Thanks, guys. Bye.